Hey everybody, I'm back. She's eating spelt bread and sesame seed butter. No, sunflower seed butter, by the way. Um, and our little pastry fritter thing is done. Uh, I think it's gonna taste great because I kind of already went in and snuck a piece off the top, and it was really, really good. But we're taking out our final result here, which I think is gonna be delicious. Hold on, I think the camera might be blurry again. Sorry, guys. All right, here we go. Um, let's get this thing on a plate and crack it open and see what we can find. I think this is going to be really delicious. I'm actually really excited about this. What is it, Ted? I think my oven light, I believe, is blown. So I'm sorry that it's really. What's going on, Ted? What is it? You want to? Whoa, careful your fingers, girl. You want another piece? Is that what you're saying? Okay. I'm multitasking here, making my kid's sandwich while I'm doing this. So, it's cooling off. Like I said, I tore a piece off of it and it was really flaky. It was like really flaky. Here you go, babe. Alright. I'm looking for my favorite spatula. I can't find it. A spoon will do. Hey, Miss Bright. Here we go. I'm going to take this off of here. Like, if you've never done this before, please don't try to do this the way you see me doing it with my hands. Because this is hot. But I've been cooking for a while. So I don't mind just doing that. But careful, guys. Just be safe in the kitchen. Okay, here we go. This is going to be good. I can tell. Now, I haven't even put the butter on top of it like I was telling y'all I was going to do. Haven't done any of that yet. I'm just going to cut into it because I'm anxious. Oh, that batter, like I said, it was the 2 different kinds of spelt. Grapeseed oil, some spring water, and I put agave in there and sea salt. That's how I made that flour. Thanks, Sean. So let's crack this baby open and see what happens. I'm just going to crack it open, and I don't really care about being pretty. Because I just want to see how flaky it is and see what it came out like. Let's see. Oh, wow. I'm just doing this with my knife here, guys. Just cracking into it. I'm butchering my own creation, but oh, wow, that's flaking apart pretty good there. Yes, baby girl, you're going to get a piece. This is what it's coming out like, guys. Check it out. Flakes apart really good. Let's see. I'm going to... Oh, here you go, babe. Sorry, I made her sandwich with one hand, recording with the other. Forgot to give her the sandwich. Here you go. And here's this. Alright, I love you too. Here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness, that tastes good. I need a fork. The inside is perfect. It's got that tartness that you want. Like if you're doing a morning pastry, but it's very sweet. But it did come out very, very sweet. Let me see if I can stay still for a minute so the camera can do what it has to do. There we go. I'm going to taste it. Ooh, hot. Oh, man, guys. That tastes like peach cobbler. But I only put a couple peaches in there. It's mostly apples and dates. Yep. I'm going to have to write this one down. It came out very delicious. This was just a quick morning thing. I just threw it in there last time I saw y'all, which was about 45 minutes ago. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. That's good. Let me see if I can get my kid to taste it. Or, that's delicious. Now, the way I made this dough, I had to leave it in there for about 40-45 minutes. And still came out very delicious, though. I'm thinking that if you were to make a bigger portion, make the dough a little bit thinner, you might cook it for maybe 30 minutes or so. But let's see. I'm going to blow this off, cool it down for the kid. You know, I think this was like a really good idea for this morning. Because this tastes really good, guys. The peaches went really good with the apples and the dates. Oh, also that apple date mixture that I told you guys about. I think I put hemp milk and coconut milk in that for the color. It was in the refrigerator for like 4 days, you know, for the flavor to seep in. So I let that stuff sit for a minute before it got that nice, you know, that nice fruit tartness, that still sweetness that you would get from a tart or a pie. Hey, baby girl, you want to try? Okay, hold on. Okay, you want to stand up? Yeah? Okay, here, let me see that. You want to try this and see if you like it? Let's see if she spits it out or if she eats it. Oh, she ate it. Now, this is the kid that will spit anything out of her mouth. And she ate it. Did you like it? Do you want some more? Yeah. Is it good? Do you want... Okay, great. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's see. See, I'll show you another piece. Another piece? No, you're good? You're good with what you have? Well, you're holding a really big piece in your hand, honey, and that's a really huge jar of sesame butter. Well, sunflower butter you're eating. Butter. Yeah. Okay. So she's got a chunk of this in her hand, and she's putting sunflower seed butter on it and eating it. Whatever the girl likes, I'll give it to her. So, but this is good, guys. I'm really happy with this. So I'm gonna make more. Let's see what the bottom looks like. I didn't pick it up for you guys. Oh, there. There's the bottom. I'm kind of flaking apart like that. Yum. Alright, guys. I'm going to continue to eat this. It's probably not going to last very long. But I just wanted to show you guys just something quick you can do in the morning, you know. You can put anything in here, you know. You don't have to do what I did. You can put anything in here. Any kind of fruit that you want to put in there. You can season your dough however you want to season your dough. Mind you, I didn't measure anything. I just started throwing stuff together, and this still tasted very delicious. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to probably cook something later today. I told you guys I'm going to try to do a pie. But I love y'all. Thank you for watching, Cindy and Sean. And I will see y'all soon. Thanks for kicking it with Lizzy's Alkaline Kitchen. Bye.